$1 trillion. That's what the world's biggest companies are pouring into artificial intelligence. The money's already moving, and almost nobody's answering the one question that matters to you. What does this mean for your money? Every few decades, one technology rewires the whole economy. AI is that shift. And in a gold rush, the smart money isn't in the gold. It's in the shovels. That's what this channel decodes. No hype, just the facts. Every week, we follow the money. Which companies actually cash in? The chip makers, the data centers, the power behind them, the cloud giants, and the software on top. We map the entire AI economy so you can see where the value really flows. Is it a bubble or the real thing? We break down the stories that moved markets, and we go deep on the names everyone's watching. It's clear, visual, and built for investors, not noise. This is education to help you invest with a thesis, not a hunch. So subscribe and tell me what to decode first.